find command, that is very important, that is very useful in the real time. So that we will explain that one. So just a minute, I will share my screen. Just a minute, I will share my screen. And this is very important. This is the find command. So by using the find command, we can find out file name as a directory where it is available file, we can find out where it is available directory path, we can find out. And so we can find out, so size of the files are, we can find out like size of the files and directories. So we can find out, I would like to find out 5 MB directories, either 5 MB files, we can find out by using the find command. So that means, so what exactly find command? So find command, required specific location. That means, so by using the find command, we can find out specific location for file either directory. For the file either directory. Okay. So then, without specific location, without specific location, so we can't, so we cannot find the files or directories. Example, so I have created a file. Example, I have created a file, so like this location. That file name is project, the file name is project only. That file name is project only. I really forget that file location. That means I really forget that file location, but I have idea what is the file name. Now I would like to find out this file location. So I would like to find out this file location. At the time of, we can use the find command. By using the find command, we can find out file location as a directory location. Okay. So first, so do one thing. So what is the use of the C? So for example, whenever we using the find command, so whenever we using the find command, like we can search either here by using the find command. So find command. So like what we have to do, like so so we can search by using the name. So we can search by using the name, like what we can search here, we can search files and directories. Okay, so we can search files and directories. For example, see, so for example, so just a minute, I have to take the Linux machine with remotely. So first I have to find out which IP address is available in my Linux machine. Then I will connect to my Linux machine only. So please wait. If you want to find out IP address in Linux operating system, the command is ifconfig only. UI edit. So perfect. NMCLI connections of Unix with you. Connection failed. Okay, no problem. See, where we are working, how you can find out? Where we are working, how you can find out means by using pwd command, we can find out where we are working. Okay. So first, see, I want to create a directory. So that's why I'm using mkdir command. So the directory name is, for example, here I am taking the directory sample. I have to check it the directory is available or not by using ls command. Yes, the directory is available sample. Now I want to enter into the directory by using the cd command. Cd means to change the directory. Okay. So I want to enter into the sample directory. Yes, where I am in right now, I am in sample directory. Okay. So in the directory, I am creating some files like, see, I am creating some empty files by using touch command. So by using the touch command, we can create multiple files we can create multiple empty files, either we can create 0-byte files. Okay. So touch, I would like to create like Linux 125. So as well as I want to create touch Unix, so 125, and I would like to create AWS, Linux, Unix, Varagel, SQL, then PLSQL. You can give the ls command, we can find. Okay. So now I want to find out some file name. So for example, see, I want to find hyphen name. So I want to search file as a directory by using the name option. So what is the name is there? That name is, see, that name is I want to find out SQL. Yes, SQL is available. This is the path of SQL. Either I would like to find out. So I would like to find out Varagil. This is a Varagil. Okay. But so whether it is file or directory, how you can find out? See, it is how you can find out. I want to find out only file, either I want to find out only directory. So very simple, very simple. See, so find command, then hyphen name. So then we can give the file name. So then we can give the file name. So my file name is like, so my file name is SQL. So then we can give the type. So which one I want to find out? Either file, either directory. See, I want to find out only file. Whenever we want to search only file, we can give the F means file. We want to search only directories, we can give the D. The type is which type of I want to search, either file, either directory. So now I want to find out only files. So that's why here I'm given, I will give F. No, I want to find out. See, I want to find out directories. If you want to find out directories, we can give SQL hyphen type, then D means directory. So no one is available. That means the directory is not available on SQL name. So for example, see, I am in root directory. If I will give find, then root hyphen name C. Why? For example, you should remember whenever we want to create a file or directory, the file or directory will be created under root directory. That means it will create under this directory. If we create any file or directory, then I want to give file name is SQL. Then type is file I want to search. Now it is searching. Now it is searching. So yes, the file has been searched. I'm right. So it is where it is available. Root sample then SQL only. Okay. Root sample then SQL. So for example, see. So for example, I want to find out configuration file. For example, we have a configuration file is there. So that is the configuration file is smb.config. smb.config. I would like to find out this file location. How you can find out that one? Very simple. Find slash hyphen name then smb.config. So this is the file, I'm right. So then we can type is file only. Yes, it is available here only. This is the SMB server configuration location. So like that, you can find out file or directory based on name. So I will write here only. Where I will write here only. Okay. That means, see how to find out, either how to search, for file name in root directory. Example, I am creating right now. I am creating some files in root, then sample directory. Under the sample directory, I am creating like some files like touch Unix. So 1 to 10 as well as enter. Then I am creating here, creating touch, then Linux, then 1 to 10 only. And if I give like here, if I give like touch, AWS, Linux, Azure, Cloud, and Oracle, and SQL, then no SQL, like that. If we want to find out files and directories, we can give this command to find out, to find files and directories. Either to check files and directories. So now I would like to find out. So I want to search some particular file only. How you can find that file? It's very simple. So we can give. So we can give here find. See. So find. Then so right now where I mean right now I'm in this location. In the same location, whenever we want to search a directory, either file in the same location, you don't want to use this symbol. You don't want to use this symbol. Okay. See, I right now I mean where I'm in right now. So I am in root. So then sample only. So now I would like to find out my file location. Then find hyphen name. What is the file name? For example, Unix 2 only. So then this is the file or directory. See, if you are not going to mention okay, what type of file or directory you want to search, it will search either file, either directory. Either file, either directory. So for example, see for example, so I want to find find hyphen name. So then I want to find out Unix 2 only. Where is it? So Unix 2 is available under root sample Unix 2 under the slash data Unix 2. But whether it is file or directory, we don't know. That's why we are mentioned like type is FF means we are going to searching files. Okay. So then, see, so we can search a file. We can search a file by using type. Okay, na? So that means here do one thing here. How to check whether how to find the files. How to find files only. Then how to find files names? Only. So what is the command here? Find hyphen name. So then file name. So then file name. So then type. Then type of. Then type of. Either we can type. So then file or directory. File or directory. Okay. Now I want to find a name like, so I want to find Linux 10. So this is the type is file only. Remember here F means, here F means searching only files. We want to find only directories. We want to find only directories. How to find, so directories only. How to find directories only. Very simple. Find name. So then we can give the directory name. For example, here I will give like directory name here. I am creating some directories here like mkdir. So I will give like, so 1, 2, 3 only. Okay. So now I want to find out directory, one directory. Okay now. So then type is D means directory. Here D means directory. We are searching like searching only directories. Okay. Searching only directories. Then, so for example, so I want to search only empty directories or files. So how to create empty directory either file? Anyone? So anyone having idea how to create empty directory file or how to create empty directory either file? See, so if you want to create empty directory either file, so before file we can mention that dot it is indicate like hidden file or directory. Hidden file or directory. So for example, here how to create hidden files. Very simple. Touch dot. Then like we can give the 1, then 2, dot 2, dot 3, like dot 4, then dot 5, like that. Okay. So here I'm creating like where I'm creating. So touch dot. Then we can give the u1 dot u2 dot u3 dot u4 dot u5. We can give the ls command. If I give the ls command, are you going to find out any u1, u2, u3, u4 files? No. If you want to find out, hidden files or directory, so you should give the ls space hyphen a. A means we can find out files and directories along with hidden files and directories. This is the hidden file. This is the hidden file. Okay. So for example, I'm moving. See, I'm moving like dot u1, u2, and dot u2, dot u3, dot u4, dot u5 to slash root, then sample only. Now if we give ls space hyphen a, is it possible to find out in this location? No, because already we moved into the this location. Already we are moving into this location. So now I want to find out, for example, see, so find hyphen C. So just we can give the like find then hyphen then empty. So if we give like this command, we can find out entire hidden files and directories only. Very simple. See, then hyphen empty. We can find out empty files and directories. So like we have a lot of empty files and directories in the Linux operating system. So for example, I want to search in particular location. Okay, now the particular location means, for example, you have to enter into the location, then we can find out. Please, any doubt? Someone is trying to speaking. I'm right. See. So like that, we have seen Unix 1, 2, 3 like and Anji. So I'm right. So we have a lot of hidden files and directories. So for example, I'm entered into this location. Which location? This location. Now I'm give then empty. If I give the find empty, this is my empty files only. This is my empty files only. This is my empty files. So empty files are directories, but you don't know this is a file or directory. Am I right? For example, see. Let's see. So what I'm doing here. So find hyphen empty, then type only I would like to find out files. This is the empty files one. This is the empty files one. And remember, for example, I want to create empty directories like see, I want to create like empty directories. So the directory name is so Varagil. So I think Varagil name is available. I'm right. So not possible to create like that Varagil 123 like. Do one thing. So mkdir. Then I'm creating laptop. So this laptop is a hidden directory. In this location. If we give ls-a, we can find out like this is the hidden directory, this is the hidden directory. Sorry. This is the hidden file, this is the hidden file, but this is the hidden directory. So for example, if we give find hyphen empty, then type d. So that means so we are going to find out. That means we are going to find out only empty directories. So if we give enter, then enter. So we can find out only directories. Then type is D. Just we can give this command only like so find hyphen empty, then type, that means here, then type D. So I was given wrong, I'm right. So we have to give the hyphen here only, don't give the here. So that's why I'm getting like path must, okay now. So we are getting some error here only. So then we can find out. This is my hidden directory. This is my hidden directory. Okay. So for example, okay, right. So no problem. So I will write here only. So how we can write here? How to find out, how to search for empty files or directories. Files or directories. Very simple. Find command, then empty. Do one thing like we should write like /hyphen empty. So that means here what is meaning? To find out by using this command, I'm right. To find out empty files and directories. So how to check here? So how to find only, yeah, how to find only empty files? If you want to find out empty files, find, then forward symbol, then empty hyphen type, then ff means files. Then how to find out? Then how to find only empty directories? Find, forward symbol, then empty, then hyphen type D. D means directories. Okay. See, all of you clear about this one? Anybody having doubt? So anybody having doubt? No. Right. Good. So I want to find out, if you are not speaking, that means you are understanding very clearly. Okay. So end of this section, definitely I will ask some questions. If you are not able to answer that one, maybe you are not understanding. Okay, no problem. See, in this location, I am creating some extensions files like, see, touch audio.mp3, audio 1 dot audio 1 dot mp3, then audio 3 dot mp3. I am creating like dot mp3 extension files. I am creating some dot extension files. Even so, for example, so I am creating some SQL dot SQL files. So like, so touch p1 dot SQL, p2 dot SQL. Am I right? Then p3 dot SQL only. Enter. See, we have a extension is .mp3 as well as .sql. Sometimes we have a Python files are there. So like, see, touch. So program program 1 dot Python, program 2 dot Python, program 3 dot Python, like that. If I give the ls command, we can find out different types of extensions like .mp3, .py, .sql. So now I would like to find out only extensions files only, particular extensions files only. Okay. So how you can find out? Like, see. So very simple. So you go for, so find, then so we can give the name, find hyphen name. For example, so I would like to find out .mp3. Enter. If I give the enter, it will not showing any files. Just we should keep star, then we can give. Yes. Hello. So please, if you have any doubt, please, we can give the, okay, no? So you have to do one thing. So we can give the message in the chat box. I will see and I will give the reply. Okay. So for example, I'm in this location. What I have to do? Find hyphen name, then here .mp3, definitely should give the star, means we can search all. Yes, where it is available here? Here only. So for example, I want to find out find hyphen name. Then I want to find out like. So I want to find out dot Python files, all Python files. What I have to do? Then dot py. But definitely you should give the star only. Dot py is there. Dot py is there. So I think we have a lot of dot py is there. Okay. So like that. So for example, I want to find out SQL only. Yes. SQL is there, SQL is there, SQL is there. Shutdown.sql is there. Okay. Then root sample p1.sql, root sample p2.sql, root sample p3.sql. Okay. So like that. So that means how you can search here. So how you can search particular sorry. Hello. How to search for .mp3 files. Find the name. So then we can give the double quotation between the double quotation star dot mp3 only. Is it clear, all of you? And so I want to search a file. For example, I want to search a file 10 MB, exactly 10 MB. Exactly 10 MB file. So for example, see, let's see. So cd/root then sample. If I give ls space hyphen lh, we can find out. So we can find out size also. This is the size only. So what is the size here? The size is 0 bytes. The size is 0 byte. Okay. So for example, see. Hello.
Yeah,
Just
Ashok here.
somebody
Sorry for
try.
interrupt.
Yeah.
Yeah, we create three touch files, right? .mp3, .sql, .py.
Yeah.
But .3 mp3 it's showing color, right? Why it's came like?
So I think that is only .mp3, na? Is audio file summary. The extension will
Yes.
be showing like this one only. If we have the .mp3 extension, it is showing like this color only.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. So right. So now I want to find out. So where I'm in. So I want to say something, right? So exactly 10 MB, 10 MB size files are directories. Okay. So what we have to do right now? Very simple. So we can give the find command. Then we can give the size option. We can give the size option. So for example, see find, for example, find. So then we can give the name, sorry, size, okay, then 10 MB only. So we can find out files and directories. We can find out files and directories. For example, I want to find out only files. Okay, now what we have to do? Type F only. This is the exactly 10 MB. So for example, so I want to do one thing. So I want to find out less than 10 MB. See, if I go to this location, which location? Root then sample. If I give the ls command, if I give the find hyphen size, then 10 MB. What exactly this one? Exactly 10 MB. If I have the file exactly 10 MB, we can find out the file. For example, find hyphen size. I want to search below 10 MB. Hyphen 10 MB. This is the total 10 MB below files and directories. Okay. So then see, if you have the more than, for example, if you have, for example, I want to search more than 10 MB plus 10 MB. So anybody having how to search the file size, how to check the file size, the directory size? Very simple. Let's see. So for example, I want to search, I want to find out this file size. du space hyphen ash, then dev 0. I want to see. I want to du space hyphen ash, then etc. How much size is there? 29 MB is there. Okay. So like that, so we can find out. So exactly file size as a directory size. So that means, so I will write here only. To search for exactly 10 MB file or directory. To search for exact 10 MB size file or directories. So find hyphen size, then 10 MB. To search, just a minute. Sorry for the interrupt. To search for, so less than 10 MB, 10 MB size files and directories. So find hyphen size, then hyphen 10 MB. Search, to search to search more than 10 MB size files and directories. Find hyphen size plus 10 MB. So we can find out less than 10 MB, more than 10 MB files and directories. Okay?
Hello.
Yeah.
We need to give plus 10 MB or plus 10 M only.
Only we can give the M only. That's enough. We can find out. Okay? No
We
need
are
to
giving
give
10 MB only.
10 MB only. Just we have to give the M only. So no
Okay.
need to give the B. Okay, na?
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. And for example, if we have the user, I want to find out user files and directories. See, I am creating user. So like that user is user add command. By using, you can create a user. User add, for example, I am creating Ravi. I am assigning password for the Ravi like pass wd command. See, by using this command, we can create a user. Username is Ravi. By using this command, so we can assign password for the user. What the user here? Ravi. So now it is asking password for the Ravi. So it is asking changing password for the user Ravi. I will give the password India at the rate of 123. Again India at the rate of 123. That means here you are getting like all authentication tokens updated successfully. That means the password has been set. So now I want to enter into the user. How you are entering into the user? Su space -l, then username is Ravi. Okay. So now you are in Ravi user. Even the prompt has been changed. Please observe that one. The prompt has been changed. Before we have a hash symbol. Right now we have a dollar symbol. In the real time, definitely we have a dollar symbol. We don't have the any hash symbol. If you have the hash symbol, that is the super user. You don't have the permissions. Okay, now super user permissions, you don't have it. Okay, right. So now I'm creating like mkdir, then like Linux, Windows, CCNA, VMware, Cloud, then Azure. See, I have a directory. directories, as well as I'm creating files by using the touch command. I'm creating files by using the touch command. Okay, so like that. So here I'm creating, so 1, 2, 3 only. Okay, see, I am lagging with Ravi user. Then I'm trying to create, yes, I was create some directories and files only. So now I'm exit from the Ravi user by using the exit command. So now I'm in root user. Am I right? So now I want to find out. Now I want to find out. So we can search particular user files and directories, like find. I want to search user files and directories -user. Then we can give the username is Ravi. So this is the files and directories under the Ravi user. This is the files and directories under the Ravi user. Okay, no problem. Okay. So we can give like find -user, username is Ravi. Okay. And so for example, I want to see, I want to find out user, sorry, group files and directories. I want to find out group files and directories. Very simple. So that's, see, very simple. How you can give find hyphen group name is Ravi. Same. So when you create remember, when you create a user, it will create user and group also. So when you create a user, it will be create automatically user and group only. Okay. So right here I'm writing like how to search files and directories for particular user. Either we can go like to search. So Ravi user files and directories. Okay. So find, then you see, if you wanted, we can give this one only. If you are in this location, for example, if you are in this location, which location? In root location. In root location, no need to give this one. If you are not in the root location, definitely should give like this symbol. Forward. Root you should give. If you are not given the root, it will not find out any files and directories. Okay. That means the files and directories will be searching from root directory. So right. So then so -user, then username is Ravi. I think we have idea how to create the user and how to create user and how to assign password. Then how to enter, I will write here only. Why don't you get the confusion? So user add, username is Ravi, then password I'm assigning like password passwd, then Ravi. So I think I'm logging with Ravi, like, so like su-l, then Ravi. So then I'm getting like, I'm getting Ravi at the rate of localhost, then tile symbol, so then dollar symbol. You should remember, if you are in the dollar symbol, this is local or sudo user command prompt. If you have this one, which one has symbol? This is super user. This is super user command prompt only. Okay. Then here I'm creating like, so I'm creating some files and directories here. So first I'm creating like touch, sorry, mkdir, Linux, AWS, DevOps, Azure, Cloud, SSM, SCCM, VMware, like that. And again, I'm creating like some files. Yes, someone is speaking, please. Touch. So like I'm creating Unix, Linux, then shell only. Please, someone is speaking, please. Go ahead. So then we can exit from the user. So I will share this document. Yes. Yes, please.
Sir, Dollar
Yeah.
is the super user.
Sorry.
Sir, give me clarification, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, we can use dollar is the super user, sir.
No. This is the dollar is the local user or sudo user command prompt.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
If we have the hash symbol, so that is the super user command prompt. The super user nothing but here that is the root user only.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So good. So as well as so how to find out here how to search group files and directories. Okay. How to search group files and directories. Very simple. So find then. So what is the group name here? So group name is Ravi only. Group name is Ravi only. Okay. See. So I want to find out. See, to search. Remember to search. So Ravi user and Ravi group. Sorry. So I want to. Okay. See. Want to search. Sorry. What happened here? We should use the find command only. Yes. To search for Ravi user files and not Ravi and not Ravi group files only. Files are directories. Okay. Then what we have to do, ma? So we can give the find, then /user. The user is Ravi. Okay. That means first I want to search Ravi user files, not Ravi group files. Okay. So then we can use the -not. Then group. The group name is Ravi. That means here. So that means here we are searching like Ravi user files and directories, not Ravi group users and files. Okay, not so Ravi users and Ravi group. Sorry, I am not searching files and directories of Ravi group. I am searching only Ravi user files and okay now. So directories. Ravi user files and directories we am searching like. Okay, and so remember to search Ravi user and Ravi group files and directories. At a time I want to search Ravi user and Ravi user group files and directories. What we have to do like here? So we will do like here to search for Ravi user and Ravi group files and directories. What we have to do here? We have to do R. We can search Ravi user and Ravi group files and directories. So find one user username is Ravi or iPhone O, then group name is Ravi only. Here I want to search only Ravi user group. Here I want to search Ravi user and Ravi user group only. Both I want to search. Okay. So I want to search here. I want to search for it. To search for files and directories which belongs to the user having the user ID. So that means every user having user ID. How to find out that one? Very simple. We can give the ID, we can find out the user ID. UID means 0. So for example, I want to find out Ravi user ID. What is the Ravi user ID? 1003. Right? So for example, I want to search files and directories particular user based on user ID. So what you have to do? So very simple. So find, we can give the find. So then -UID, then we can give the UID is 10003. This one only. Okay. So that means we can search user, we can search user files and directories. Okay, na, by using the user, either by using the username, either user ID. Okay. So like that, here I will give find. So then -, space -UID, then user ID only. Then I will give find. So then -UID. Okay, na? Then user ID is 1003. So note is note how to check user ID. ID space then username. Then here I will give the ID space then Ravi. So I find out user ID only. Okay. So right. So for example, see. See, I want to find out here. I want to find out to search files and directories which belongs to the group having the specific group ID. So very simple. To search for files and directories which belongs to the group having the specified group ID. Very simple. We can give the find command only. Then -. We can give the find. So then -. Okay, now then group. Either we can give the GUID. GUID means group ID. So then group ID name, group ID number. So here, what is the group ID here? That group ID is also, see, if I give the ID space Ravi, what is the group ID GID 1003? What is the user ID 1003? But in the real time, the group ID will be changed. So at the time we can find out like find then GUID, then GUID is 1003 only. Okay. So right here we can find out like, so for example permissions, for example I have a permissions. So if we have the permissions 75577 the 777, how you can find out that the type of files and directories. So that means to search, see, to search files and directories, so which are having the permissions like 755. So find command, then hyphen permissions, PRM permissions, then 755 only. If I give like that one, the slash root, sorry, find hyphen permissions like 755. We can find out. Okay. So why I'm getting here error? So permissions is perfect. So I think I'm searching like here only. Just a minute, ma. PID PARM permissions mode. See, so we can give PARM permissions mode only. So like that. Okay. So for example, see slash root then sample. If I give the find, so then find, so then PARM permissions 755. Okay. So no such file directory. So for example, if you have chmod 755, sorry, 777, then star only. If we give the 777, so like 777, so we can find out. If we give the find, so hyphen permissions like 777 only. In the 777, I would like to find out only type is files. I want to find out only files like that. Or I want to find out only directories. If you have the directories like, so J1, so J1 and J2, J3, J4, J5 like that. Here I am changing chmod 777 then star. That means we are changing the permissions only. Now we can give this command. The command is, so we can find out, okay, na, so who we can find out the particular permissions files or directories. I want to find out 755 permissions files. We can do. I want to find out 777 permissions for a file or directory. We can give this command. Like that. So like that. Okay. So if you have the, for example, so except 755, we don't have the 755, so we can find out like hyphen 755. So what we have, okay, na. So except 755, we can find out that files and permissions by using hyphen. Okay, and so I want to find out like just 5 or 10 minutes only class. Okay, na? It will be over, no problem. So to search for files and directories which are modified within 20 minutes. Within 20 minutes. Okay. So we can give like, see, find. So then hyphen. So within 20 minutes, MMIN, then 20 minutes only. Okay. So for example, so about 20 minutes, how you can find out? About 20 minutes. About 20 minutes. About 20 minutes. Find, then hyphen MMI, then plus 20 minutes. Okay. Then below 20 minutes, am I right? Below 20 minutes, what we have to do? Very simple. So very simple. So below 20 minutes, below 20 minutes. Okay. Fine. Hyphen MMIN, then hyphen 20. Modified, remember. So for example, see, if I give the find, remember, if I give the find, then root directory hyphen MMIN, then 20. Do you have any modifications? No. So for example, slash root, then sample. Here I am going to modification. So like that. So cat Unix. We don't have any file. Echo. So then, so this is Unix file. Then we can give the double standard input redirection. Then Unix only. Now we can give the Unix file. We have some information is there. So now I'm given this one. Which one? So like, so find. Okay, now then root hyphen 20 minutes. Below 20 minutes we can give. Yes. Below 20 minutes we have a lot of files are modified. About 20 minutes we can search it. Can find out like I'm searching. So type files only. Type files only. So here we have a Unix file is there, am I right? Okay. If I'm not given like this one, we can find out like only this file. So exactly 20 minutes. That means exactly 20 minutes means it's not 20 minutes right now. Below 20 minutes, I'm right. This is the below 20 minutes only. We can find out like that. For example, so last today what I have modified files and directories, I want to find out. Last 2 days, at the last 1 day, at the last. Okay. So last. So I want to find out last 2 days, either last 1 day, last 24 hours like that. Okay. So what we have to do in here, find here, sorry, to search files and directories. So which are modified in 2 days. Very simple. Find, then hyphen m time, then 2 means 2 days. For example, I want to find out, okay, now. So within 3 days modified files and directories. What to do here? So m time, then 3 days. Very simple. Here I will give find, then m time, then 1 day what I have modified within 1 day, that files and directories will be find out. Okay. So then type here files 1 day. I will give the less than one day. This is the modified files and directories like that. Okay. And then we have another 4 commands are there. So like that, how to find out some particular files, then how you can delete that one. So for example, I want to search. See, I want to search all .mp3 extension files and delete them. How you can delete that one? First, see how to search that one. Very simple. So we can give like find hyphen name. Okay, now so double quotation and star dot mp3 only. Yes. Okay. So now I want to delete that files only. So now I want to delete that files only. So what to do? What we have to do here? So do one thing here. Next, I want to execute that command. We can rm-rf rm space to remove the files and directories. -rf means recursible and forceable. Very simple. So first I want to find out .mp3 extension files. Then I want to execute another command. The command is rm-rf. That means I want to delete that files. That files means what we have extension files. Those files I want to delete only. So like that here. So we can open bracket and close bracket. Then backslash semicolon only. That's it. Okay. So now you can search it. If you search this one, which one? If I give this command, no such file or directory. Okay. No such file or directory. Each and every command will be important for you. So for example, I want to copy. See, I want to copy into some particular location. So for example, see, so let's see what I have to do here. I want to find those example ls command. So .sql. Okay. Oh my God. .sql is very, for example, I have installed SQL server in my system. So I don't want to go for the .sql. So I will do one thing. Touch. So b1.txt and b2.txt, b3.txt. Okay. So we have a test files is there. I want to find out test files only. See, I want to find. So then hyphen name. See, if we give this symbol is better for you. Hyphen name. Okay now. So I want to search only test files. We have a lot of test files is there. So do one thing. What I have to do? cd/root then sample. Again, I am creating touch a.mp3, a2.mp3, .mp3, a3.mp3. Okay. So then what I have to do here? Find. See, first I want to find out some particular extension files. So find. Okay. So then I /root. This is the root symbol. Then hyphen. Then we can give name. Okay. Then extension is star dot. Extension is .mp3 only. Yes. So what I have to do? So I want to find out some particular extension files. Then you need to copy them into the some particular directory. Okay. So what to do here? So first, where I want to copy that one. See, I want to copy into the backup. mkdir/ okay, now backup only. So it is available bkp backup only. So first I want to find out particular extension files, those files I want to copy into the particular location. Which location? /backup BKP. Okay. So what we have to do, ma? So first we have to use this command, then execute this command. Am I right? Then execute this command. So we can copy hyphen a means we can copy including hidden files also if you have it. Okay. So then open bracket, close bracket. Okay, na. So into where I want to copy this one? Into the BKP file. Then /, then semicolon. Okay. So now we can search the file. So that files are available here only right now. So now I'm searching like where is available. This one is available in this location and this location, both location. So I want to move only. We can give the mv command like that. So do one thing here. So how to write down to search all dot mp3 files and copy them into /backup directory. Okay. So find hyphen name. So then star dot mp3. Then we can give the execute this command. So we can give the copy hyphen recursible forcible. Okay. Then we can give the open bracket, close bracket, then /backup file, then / semicolon. Okay. Then we can give this command if you want it. Okay. So this is the class ma. If you want to move that one, what we have to do here? We can execute. Okay, na mv command only. We can execute mv command only. Okay. Copy recursible and forcible. So this is the class today. All of you understanding? This is the find class only. Okay. Any doubt, ma? So no one is speaking. Any doubt?
All clear.
No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Thank you. And thank you.
No doubt.
Sorry. Thank you, ma. అన్న చెప్పండి.
ఓకే అండి.
ఓకే అన్న. ఓకే అన్న. బాయ్.